I'm at 225 Pine Tree Lane, Griffin, Georgia. It is May 4th, 2026, 4:05 in the afternoon, around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm on the front slope of the roof. Some spot repairs have been approved by Allstate, and I'm going to assess whether I can repair a shingle and reasonably repair it and bring it back into a condition it was before the loss. I'll be repairing this wind damaged shingle. This tab's missing. I'm going to see how it affects the shingles around it. This is going to be a simulation. I'm going to pull this shingle out, put it back in, just like I would if I was putting in a new shingle, but I just want to see how the repair affects the surrounding shingles. So I'm going to be utilizing a flat bar to unseal the shingles and a roofing hatchet to install new nails. So I'm going to start by unbonding the shingles. All right, now I'm going to take the nails out of the shingles here. Going to be lifting these. Main issue I'm foreseeing is the shingles being brittle. This roof's about 13-14 years old. Going to be lifting these as minimally as possible to get the nails out. That nail pull through, the shingle and the repair will come out. So this nail pulled over the shingle, so now there's a hole in the shingle. Of course, in a repair, this shingle's damaged, so it'll be replaced, but see if it does it on the remaining shingles. All right. That nail pulled through the shingle. There's now a nail head size hole in this shingle to remain. So that's a form of damage. All right, should be able to take the shingle out. So of course in a repair, I'm going to put a new shingle in. Here I'm simulating a repair. Just gonna put this old shingle back in here. All right, this shingles already look pretty brittle. I see some granule loss at the top of the tabs. So let's drop some new nails in these shingles and see what they look like. I'm gonna put an 1¼ inch nail right there. This is the minimum I gotta lift this shingle. So, drive it flush into roof deck. All right, this is where these shingles tend to hinge, where there's nails in the shingle above. So again, that's minimum height. I can lift it to reasonably put this nail back in here. And a lot of granule loss forming at the top of this tab. All right, and in order to repair this shingle, I can see a lot of granule loss. It's like pretty much the same type of damage that wind causes from lifting these shingles up. Appears there's a little bit of mat transfer under my finger here. I'll take a picture of that in a minute. Same thing under this shingle. A lot of material transfer. Creasing along here, see a crease here. So you get a close-up of all these shingles. I'm going to take a soft brush here and wipe away any loose granules. I'm gonna do it on a shingle that hasn't been manipulated, just to show this doesn't really affect a shingle that hasn't been repaired. But these shingles right here, they're already creased. I'm just gonna wipe away any loose granules just to demonstrate what the finished product is really gonna look like. You can see a good bit. Just to look at granule loss, got my pitch hopper here. All those granules have come off the roof. So just gonna mark up the damage here. This whole shingle's creased across the entire thing. A little bit of granule loss here. Creasing here, creasing on the edge. This is not bringing this repair is not bringing it back to a pre-loss condition, and it's not going to be a repair that would be accepted by industry standards.